Prime time news tonight.
And I'm staying because there is something about the people here.
Damian Crawford to remain as PNP caretaker for East Portland. JCAA breaks silence on report into deadly 2016 plane crash. And Jamaica-China relations deepening.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the government is taking steps to boost interest in Wigton Wind Farm shares. The Prime Minister himself will be hosting a town hall meeting to help sell the stock option to investors. I'll have that and other stories later in the business day.
And I am being told that Karen Madden, who is standing by, is going to be talking about what? The Gunners today?
She's in red.
Despite what the producer thinks, we're going to talk about that, but not now. What is important and what will lead the bulletin tonight is when this cricket team has a new coach, plus there's a raft of changes to how the regional governing body will select players. That's among major announcements from new CWI President Ricky Skerritt. I'll tell you all about it later.
All right, Karen, looking forward to that. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to Damian Crawford's announcement that he will remain the PNP's candidate in Eastern Portland?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.